Tom, what did you eat for lunch today?
I had pizza. It was delicious.
Pizza. That's one of my favorite foods.
Really, me too.
You know what? Today's topic is perfect for us.
Why?
Because today we're talking about favorite foods.
Oh, that's great.
Everyone loves food.
Yes. And talking about food is so useful in English.
Let's teach everyone how to talk about food.
Let's start.
Tom, what's your favorite breakfast?
That's a great question. I love eggs and toast.
Eggs and toast, classic breakfast.
Yes. What about you? What's your favorite breakfast?
I love cereal with milk and fruit.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
It is. I eat it every morning.
What fruit do you put in your cereal?
Usually bananas or strawberries.
Yum! I love strawberries.
Me too. They're so sweet.
What about breakfast drinks?
Oh, I always drink coffee in the morning.
Coffee is so popular.
Yes, some people prefer tea.
Tea is good too. Hot tea with milk.
Or cold juice.
Orange juice is my favorite.
Fresh orange juice is delicious.
Now let's talk about lunch. What's your favorite lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich or salad for lunch.
What kind of sandwich?
I like chicken sandwiches with lettuce and tomato.
That sounds fresh.
Yes, and healthy too. What about you?
I love rice and vegetables for lunch.
Rice is so common around the world.
Yes, people in Asia eat rice every day.
In many countries, rice is very important.
What's your favorite dinner?
Oh, dinner! I love pasta.
Pasta is amazing.
Yes, pasta with tomato sauce and cheese.
Delicious. I love pizza for dinner.
Pizza. We talked about pizza at the beginning.
I know. I really love pizza.
What kind of pizza?
Cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, vegetable pizza, all kinds.
Pizza is perfect because it has everything: cheese, vegetables, sometimes meat.
Exactly. It's a complete meal.
Now let's talk about different tastes.
Good idea. Food can be sweet, salty, spicy, or sour.
Tell me about sweet food.
Sweet food includes chocolate, cake, cookies, and candy.
I love chocolate.
Me too. Chocolate is so popular everywhere.
And ice cream. Ice cream is sweet and cold.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla. Classic and simple.
I love chocolate ice cream.
What about salty food?
Salty food includes chips, nuts, and some snacks.
Popcorn is salty.
Yes, movie popcorn is so salty and buttery.
Now spicy food.
Some people love spicy food. Some people don't.
That's true. I like a little spicy.
Me too. Not too spicy.
Spicy food is popular in many countries.
India, Mexico, Thailand, Korea.
So many places. What about sour food?
Sour food includes lemons, limes, and some candies.
Lemonade is sweet and sour.
Yes, it's refreshing.
Let's talk about fruits and vegetables.
Great idea. Fruits are so important.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples. Red, green, all kinds.
Apples are healthy and crunchy.
What about you?
I love mangoes. They're sweet and juicy.
Mangoes are delicious, very tropical.
We also have bananas, oranges, grapes, watermelon.
So many fruits.
And vegetables are important too.
Yes. What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots, broccoli, and tomatoes.
Tomatoes are actually a fruit,
Really? I didn't know that.
but we use them like a vegetable.
Interesting. I also like potatoes.
Potatoes are so versatile. You can cook them many ways.
Fried, baked, mashed, boiled.
Let me tell you about my student, Maria.
Tell me,
Maria is from Mexico. She told me about her favorite traditional food.
what is it?
Tacos. She loves tacos.
Oh, tacos are so popular now.
Yes. She described them to me in English.
What did she say?
She said, "They're delicious. They have meat, vegetables, and special sauce."
I could hear her excitement.
Yes, she loves her traditional food so much.
Now she can share her culture through English.
Exactly. Food connects cultures.
Do you cook at home, Tom?
Yes, I love cooking.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta, chicken, vegetables, simple things.
Simple food can be very delicious.
Absolutely. My student Natasha loves cooking too.
Tell me about Natasha.
Natasha is from Russia. She loves cooking traditional Russian food.
What does she cook?
Her favorite dish is called borscht. It's a vegetable soup.
Soup is perfect for cold weather.
Yes. She practices English by describing her cooking.
How does she do that?
She says, "First, I cut the vegetables. Then, I cook them slowly. Finally, it's ready."
That's excellent practice.
Talking about food helps her practice English naturally.
What a smart way to practice.
Do you go to restaurants, Lucy?
Yes, I love trying new restaurants.
What's your favorite type of restaurant?
I love Italian restaurants, pasta, pizza, amazing bread.
Italian food is so good.
I also like trying food from different countries.
That's wonderful. My friend Kofi does that too.
Tell me about Kofi.
Kofi is from Ghana. He loves trying food from different countries.
That's exciting.
Last month, he tried Japanese food for the first time.
Japanese food. What did he try?
He tried sushi.
Sushi. How did he like it?
He said, "Tom, I tried sushi. It was so interesting."
Was he nervous?
He wasn't sure at first, but he loved it.
That's great.
Now he tries new food every week.
What a fun adventure.
And food helped him make new friends too.
That's beautiful. Food brings people together.
Yes, Every country has special traditional food.
Italian, Mexican, Japanese, Indian, French, Chinese.
So many different foods to try.
And talking about food is a great conversation starter.
Absolutely. You can ask anyone, what's your favorite food?
It's a friendly question,
Everyone has an answer.
and everyone loves to share their favorite foods.
Food is universal.
So, listeners, what's your favorite food?
Think about it right now.
Is it sweet or salty?
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
From your country or another country?
Practice describing it in English.
Say, my favorite food is,
It's delicious and
I eat it every.
you can talk about food with anyone.
At restaurants, with friends, with family.
Food vocabulary is so useful.
Let's review some important phrases.
Great. What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
I love chocolate.
I love chocolate.
Do you like spicy food?
Do you like spicy food?
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
It's very tasty.
It's very tasty.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
What did you eat for breakfast?
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast.
I had eggs and toast.
Let's try this restaurant.
Let's try this restaurant.
I like to cook at home.
I like to cook at home.
This is sweet and fresh.
This is sweet and fresh.
Food is amazing.
Food is amazing. Great job today.
Now you can talk about food in English.
What's your favorite food?
Tell someone today.
Enjoy your meals.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Happy eating, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Pronounce faster.